Hi guys, today we are going to look at the Underworld Swordman Eugeo skill. The damage multiplier on the skill is not that impressive, but the bonus ability is what makes this skill one of the best sword skill that you can get in the game. The blue sword technique for its skill gives us additional damage for 20 seconds based on your defensive stats. We will take a look at how the defense translates to damage and how the additional damage works. Before we begin, please click the like button, share and subscribe to my channel for more SAO integral factor content. So first thing, let's compare how much damage I do normal attack before and after the bonus. I will show my stat afterwards so that we have a reference. As you can see, after a few hits, I'm doing an average of 500 damage. Let's use the skill to apply the buff now. When you use the skill, you should see attack buff icon on your player, and your attack damage will be boosted. In this case, I got around 1600 damage, which is 1100 increase from before. It is 3 times from my normal damage, which is impressive. And my defense stats currently is at 733. Better way to do this is if I test it against monsters that can only do 1 damage. When I apply the Underworld Eugeo skill, my next attack only registers my bonus damage plus 1, which is 1100, the same as what we saw earlier. I'll use this method for testing, and now I will increase my defense with buff, which gets me to 935 defense. Again, I will use my Eugeo skill to buff my attack and look at the damage with buff. 1404, which is 1403 bonus damage. I'm going to take a few more samples with lower defense so that we can get a better data, this time with 436 defense. $655, which means 654 bonus damage. And one more time with 35 defense. Notice that this monster is actually weak to slash, and I'm using sword which is slash type. I got 54, which is 53 bonus damage, but let's also see if it is the same against monster that is not weak to slash. Let's try it on the enemy that is not weak to slash with the same defense. I will lower my attack so I will only do 1 damage on these monsters. As you can see, I'm consistently doing 1 damage, and my damage with the Eugeo skill, let's see, it's 36, which means I got 35 bonus damage. It is 1 damage per defense stats now. And when I try it on this Yeti, which is weak to slash, it is doing 54 damage like what it was shown previously. So the bonus damage did get increased by weapon weakness, which is by 50%. How about the elemental weakness? This one is going to be a little difficult to notice because I cannot find a mob with elemental weakness that makes me only do 1 damage on skill. So I will use a 1 Starfire slash skill for this test to minimize the damage variations, and test it against this penguin that is weak to slash and fire. $42, 336. So after a few hits, looks like my damage is around 334 or 335, I'd say. Now let's apply a Eugeo skill buff and see how much damage does it increase. So 400. I'll do a few more hits to see the average. 390. Looks like it's averaging on 400 damage, which means I get around 65 damage increase this time with 35 defense. I'm not sure if it is the elemental weakness give lower increase or is it just due to the damage variations, But one thing for sure, the bonus damage also get increased from the elemental damage. Now to summarize, this Underworld Swordman Eugeo skill gives 1 bonus damage per defense against enemy dead or not weak to weapon and element. With weapon weakness, we got this result that you can see below. Damage divided by defense consistently gives 1.5, which means for every defense touch, you got 1.5 additional damage. With weapon and elemental weakness, it is not very clear because of the damage variations, but we probably get 2 damage per defense, I would say. That's it for the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.